So this is most important part of the digital transformation. So what we suggest is that technologies are available, technological solutions are available. You have the resources to buy, invest, implement. But before that, let's break this fear and concerns within the organization. We have 2 or 3 ways by which we start this. The first thing that we do is we bring people together and demonstrate that use of digital technology for business solution is not an extremely difficult thing. I will tell you how we do it. Recently, we had to train 450 people within an organization, starting from heads of the manufacturing all the way to those who work in the shop floor, for example. See, one of the things in digital transformation that is required is people working together to spot the problem, to find the solution to the problem, and then implement and go on. So what we do is, so we start with we take some real business problem. Say, for example, one of the companies said that overall we want to enhance our productivity, or say overall equipment efficiency, OEE, of our machines, of our production. So that's the business goal for the next year, so 2021. So we said, how do we do this? So, for example, we need to apply digital technologies to ensure that we monitor the machines, to ensure that we predict the failures, to ensure that we maximize the use of the machines and improve the quality and so on. So what we do is we say, okay, how do we do the condition monitoring? We actually demonstrate how do you apply digital solution to monitor machines, and we make them not only learn but touch, feel, experience. But eventually, what is the purpose? Purpose is that we want to make them realize that it is not difficult. The first thing is the fear of unknown. And these are, the talent is either, say, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, or some IT, and each want to work in silos, and they have been working in silos. In digital transformation, what happens is you have to bring these people together. And the question is, they have never seen digital technology. See, again, digital transformation is not about IT department implementing some, digital thing. So digital transformation is all about applying things to create the business value, which means that we need to find solutions to the real business problem, whether at the customer's end or whether at the supplier's end or within the production. So input, throughput, and output. So now when they realize that, oh, this is so simple, it can be managed. So sensors, for example, is so because someone has not experienced how to use sensor, how to use controls, how to get the data, how do we use certain even apps. So these are some very simple things. When we bring people together, then make them feel what it is and how simple it is. So the first thing is that fear goes, and we have seen this. So the union of the company was wanted to know how things happen, because they knew that if they don't adopt to digital thing, they may have to lose a job. But when we demonstrated this at different levels, that it is possible, it is simple, it is easy, and you are very talented people, you can find the solution. For example, I'm just giving as an illustration. So many of us, we have seen a car or used a car with the reverse parking facility or option. So where there is a camera or sometimes just a sound sensor, proximity sensor. But none of us have ever opened and found out, or even, just did the Google search. What is that proximity sensor? What is that? It's so simple. So that's the first thing that we do is we break that fear or make them realize that it is easy to learn these things and they can really upskill themselves in this or reskill themselves. That's the step one. The second one, what we say is that you are the domain experts. For example, outsiders can come and say that, oh, these are the fantastic technologies and processes that you can digitize and or bring the digital technology, but they don't have a domain experience. We say that you bring the domain experience. Now what it requires is that little bit of investment that is required to build your competencies, certain skills, certain knowledge, and work together. So that's the something that we do, and we did this. Believe me, everyone within the organization, and sometimes we have to do it in the local language. So like we did this in Marathi, Hindi, and English, because that's where you actually make them realize or assure that they're listening. Then third is what we do is we then share several case studies. For example, we share a case study where and at many levels, where we say that none of the staff or employee have been sacked or fired in this whole process of digital transformation, and we give them how they approached this entire transformation process. They get a lot of confidence. I said, yes, we are not going to lose this. So this is at one level, and the next level what we do is then we look at their entire all processes, operational, say even the production processes, operations. Then we map this to the competency levels. Then we find the real gaps where organizations don't have before they go in a big way on digital transformation. And once they're prepared, believe me, they can really sustain, lead the digital transformation. This is one way to go. The second way, which we have our own proprietary model based on the experience. So what we do is, again, we say this was an organization which is in electrical and automation. So they had money to invest in implementing some of the things within their setup. But we said, don't do that. Why not we create solutions to the real problems within the organization, and then slowly, once that internal capability is built, then you can think of implementing larger digital transformation initiatives. So what we do, we have something like 5 days kind of a program. The first day is just we go around organization finding some critical problems. So and then we discuss with the leaders, shop floor, or finance, procurement, and we find which is the critical 2 or 3 problems that organizations are facing. Then we ask the companies to nominate some 25-30 people from different functions and fields or domains, and they come. And what we introduce is we have combined this innovation, because it's very, very important to be creative, be innovative. And second thing is again we bring both IT and OT tools like simulation modeling, smart sensors, controls. And in 2 days we ensure that each team takes up one problem and solves that problem.